Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ghaneva Edge. Thank you for stopping by this video. Please watch till the end. My name is Eva Akosia Poma. You can call me Ghaneva, okay? So this is my first YouTube video on this channel. If you are passionate about starting your own business, dive into mini importation and unlocking your personal development potential as well, then you are in the right place. On this channel, I'll be sharing with you everything from practical tips on how to start and grow your finances to strategies that will help you also to grow your mini importation business or for personal use as well. Mini importation is not only about importing for business sake, okay? You can also go into importation for personal use as well. Example, this beautiful flags behind me, I got it outside the country because I can't afford the one in my country. And the beautiful light kits that I have here too, I imported them from China. So if you are interested in mini importation, then please subscribe to this channel. Okay, we are not only going to be talking about mini importation on this channel because I believe setting up the right mindset is the key to achieving success in every part of our life, being our mental health, our physical health, emotional health. It all depends on developing ourselves very well. So on this channel, while we talk about mini importation, we are also going to be talking about personal development. Okay, please forgive me for the background noise. That's my neighborhood, but nothing is going to stop me from doing this video today. Okay, nothing is going to stop us. We are doing this and we are doing it. Okay, so we are going to be discuss some topics like shaping companies, tracking our goals, the do's and the don'ts, paying method, reach out account, Alipay account, and other businesses. That's other things that you can import from other countries. That ones we don't really need apps for them. All of them will be taught on this channel and many other more that I couldn't say them. On this channel too, we are going to be talking about topics like emotional intelligence, time management, self-love and self-care, elegance and lifestyle, dealing with frustrations, affirmations, goal planning, self-actualizations, principles of life, and many other more. We are going to also talk about other business that we can do both online, offline, but I'm taking importation out of it and go deeper in it, okay? So on this channel, we are going to be talking about mini importation, personal development, and other business tips, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you if you have watched to this video, to this end of the video, okay? Thank you so much. This is my first video, so I hope you understand all the feeling I'm in now, okay? Everything on this channel is going to be about me and you, okay? So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Disclaimer, okay? Everything on this channel that will be taught and shared here are based on my knowledge over the years, experience in all fields of importation, business and personal development, and research from experts and other resources. All your polite comments and opinions are welcome in the section down below. So on this channel, my goal is to help you take actionable steps to achieving your goals. So if you are the kind of person who wants to try in their business, their finances, their personal development, get the self-confidence and everything, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join us in our Telegram and WhatsApp pages as well, so you get quick notification and tips from me. Okay, thank you all for joining. This is our first video, so let me know your comment in the description, the comment section. Description is where you keep this. Okay, so let me know your comments in the comments bar. Okay, and please subscribe to this channel. Don't pass it. Okay, please subscribe, like the video, and share for others to enjoy it too. Thank you for watching till this part. Bye, see you in the next video.